Good morning, Valley View staff and students. Welcome to our first ever virtual Veterans Day Assembly. We are happy to have you here today in honor of Veterans Day. Today's virtual assembly is a serious one with numerous student and staff speakers and our amazing Valley View band. We appreciate your attention and respect. Now, I would like to introduce to you the Snohomish High School and Glacier Peak JROTC Color Guard presenting the colors.
On Wednesday, November 11th, 2020, our nation will celebrate the holiday called Veterans Day. Each and every day, countless sacrifices are made by the brave men and women in our armed forces to protect the many freedoms that each of us enjoy. Today, we salute you.
You may have friends and family that have served or are currently serving in the armed forces right now. To the veterans that are here with us today and the families of veterans, we thank you and will not forget the sacrifices that you have made for each of us.
World War I officially ended on June 28, 1919, in the town of Versailles, France. However, fighting ceased 7 months earlier when an armistice went into effect on the 11th hour of the 11th day of the 11th month.
In November 1999, President Woodrow Wilson proclaimed November 11th as the first commemoration of Armistice Day. If the idealistic hope had been realized that World War I was the war to end all wars, November 11th might still be called Armistice Day. But in 1954, President Dwight D. Eisenhower changed the name to Veterans Day so that we may honor all veterans.
poem by Howard Schnauber titled, I Am the Flag of the United States of America.
I am the flag of the United States of America.
My name is Old Glory.
I fly atop the world's tallest buildings.
I stand watch in America's Hall of Justice.
I fly majestically over institutions of learning.
I stand guard with power in the world.
Look up and see me.
I stand for peace, honor, truth, and justice.
Stand for freedom.
I am confident.
I am proud.
When I am flown with my fellow banners,
My head is a little higher.
My colors a little truer.
I bow to no one.
I am recognized all over the world.
I am worshiped.
I am saluted.
I am loved.
I am revered.
I am respected.
and I am feared.
I have fought in every battle of every year for more than 200 years.
I was flown at Valley Forge, Gettysburg, Shiloh, and Appomattox.
I was there at San Juan Hill, the trenches of France in the Argonne Forest, Anzio, Rome, and the beaches of Normandy, Guam, Okinawa, Korea, and Vietnam.
I was there. I led my troops.
I was dirty, battle weary, and tired, but my soldiers cheered me, and I was proud.
I have been burned, torn, and trampled on the streets of countries I have helped set free.
It does not hurt, for I am invincible.
I have been soiled upon, burned, torn, and trampled on the streets of my own country.
And when it's by those whom I've served in battle, it hurts.
But I shall overcome, for I am strong.
I have slipped the bonds of earth and stood watch over the uncharted frontiers of space from my vantage point on the moon.
I have borne silent witness to all of America's finest hours.
But my finest hours are yet to come.
When I am torn into strips and used as bandages for my wounded comrades on the battlefield.
When I am flown at half-mast to honor my soldiers.
Or when I lie in the trembling arms of a grieving parent at the grave of their fallen son or daughter.
I am proud.
My name is Old Glory.
Long may I wave.